At this point of time, online film certification system is by the CBFC2 at this point of time is to be launched by the Minister Venkaiah Naidu, Minister for Information and Broadcasting. That's happening currently. Let's go live.
As I could see across the country, there is a new hunger among the people. Hunger, thirstness. Hunger क्या है? विकास करे. People want development, people want progress, people want growth, people want additional facilities, people want good governance, people want promotion in their life, people want livable conditions in cities, people want opportunities, people want job. Like that, everybody is thinking of better opportunities, better future. Some of the politicians may try to divert the attention, but this government, headed by Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, is very clear. Let me make it crystal clear. You try to detract our attention. Sometimes you create tension. That's why we have to give a reaction. Otherwise, our action is on development only. That's the number one. Number two is development alone will not suffice. I have told now. देखो ये तो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं उन्हीं को मालूम नहीं कैसा सर unless you have a good delivery system which is called as good governance, good development alone will not suffice. Even if there is a big hospital, massive, with all the infrastructure available, unless there is service provided, there is no meaning. Development has no meaning. So development and good governance, they go together. That is the guiding principle of this government, whichever department we may be. The Prime Minister has told all of us, he has given us a three-line mantra. I repeat everywhere because he said reform the system, perform, and then transform. The entire country, he wants the country to be transformed. Transformed in the sense of decision-making, delivery, and also the welfare of the people. The good governance really makes all the impact. So the reform, perform and transform, what is happening today is part of that agenda of the Prime Minister. The Honorable Prime Minister once said, I quote, the beauty of e-governance is that a few keystrokes can bring smiles on a million faces. You can understand the importance of the same. The online film certification system of the Central Film Certification launched today is an initiative that will facilitate the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of ease of doing business and digital India. This is part of that program. This complete automation of the film certification process would enable good governance, making the entire process efficient and transparent. The objective is to eliminate the need for human interface to the extent possible. Meeting, greeting, and then talking something else, shaking hands and doing something between the hands, that has to be avoided. That is the purpose. Friends, it would also be a big step towards making the CBFC office paperless and enable effective monitoring and real-time progress tracking for both the CBFC and also the applicants, that is the producers, media houses, etc. My ministry has been proactively taking initiatives to promote ease of doing business. In the media and entertainment sector, the Film Facilitation Office, FFO, established by the ministry in November 2015, provides a single window clearance to facilitate film shooting by foreign filmmakers in India. That's the first initiative. Just now I had a delegation from our friendly country, Vietnam. Minister and 22 other senior officials, they have come. They are showing keen interest to produce films in India, about India. And also Indian films also go to Vietnam. They have beautiful scenes there and all. So this Film Facilitation Office was established by the ministry in 2015. This is the first step in that regard. A total of 41 shooting permissions were given for foreign films projects in 2016, which was approximately 33% increase over 2015. The Ministry of I&B has also simplified the annual renewal process of the existing TV channels, wherein permitted broadcasters can continue their operations by paying an annual fee up to 60 days before the due date for continuation of the channel for a further period of 1 year. Otherwise, At the end of every year, again you have to come here, meet, greet, talk, do other things and all. That has been done away with. Just by paying an annual fee up to 60 days before the due date for continuation, you automatically it's sanctioned. The payment can now be made online through Bharat Kosh portal since 1st January 2017. This is also another initiative of ease of doing business. In this online film certification system, also the payments made by the producers towards the certification fees have been fully integrated with the Bharat Kosh portal, a Government of India system for all non-tax revenue receipts. The film industry in India has been growing at a significant pace with a noticeable increase in the number of films getting released every year. Around 1,500 to 2,000 films are being released every year. It's a gigantic task even for CBFC also. The changes in the current process of CBFC would ensure better facilitation and technological upgradation to match up with the pace of Indian cinema. Some of the salient features of the online film certification have been explained. I don't want to repeat them. E-Cinema Brahman, the status of each application would be visible online. You can know where do you stand. For films longer than 10 minutes, applicant need not even show the film also. That also has been explained in the presentation. Then transparency in the system and elimination of middlemen would mitigate the chances of any corruption. That is one of the highlights of the system. The implementation of QR code in the certificate would eliminate chances of fraudulent certificates also. That is also an important highlight. The system also envisages a robust MIS system for performance tracking and efficient reporting. The system has inbuilt alerts depending on the pendency of the application to ensure that time limits prescribed by the rules are not violated. This is also another highlight. So simultaneously, a new CBFC website has also been developed, bringing in new user-friendly features. These are some of the highlights of this today's new initiative.